Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to host your website on IONOS in just about 5 minutes. Whether you are launching a brand new site or refreshing an existing one, IONOS offers a very simple process. Let's jump straight into the steps to get your content online. To start, you need to log into your IONOS account. Navigate to the IONOS homepage and locate the Sign In button, which is typically found in the upper right corner. Click this to reach the login gateway. On the next screen, select Customer Account to proceed. This step is important to ensure you are accessing the correct features for your specific hosting needs. Once you have selected the account type, enter your login credentials. Type your registered email address into the field and click Next. This secure process will then ask for your password. Enter the password you set up during account creation, making sure to type it accurately. Click Next once more to verify your identity. This will grant you access to the IONOS dashboard where you can manage your services. From the main dashboard, find and click on the Hosting section. This area contains all the tools for your web environment. Inside the Hosting menu, look for the Use Web Spaces option and click it. This is where you will manage the actual file transfers for your site. Now, prepare your website files on your computer. You will need your HTML, CSS, and any JavaScript files ready to go. Having these organized in a folder beforehand will streamline the next step. Within the IONOS WebSpace interface, click the Upload button. A file browser will appear, allowing you to select the files from your local drive. Navigate to your project folder, select all necessary files, and confirm the upload. The transfer time will vary based on your internet speed and the size of your site, so stay patient while it finishes. There you go, a simple walkthrough for uploading your site to IONOS. Remember that after the upload is complete, it might take a few minutes for the site to be visible globally as the changes propagate. To ensure everything goes smoothly, keep your files well organized and check for any specific server configurations required by IONOS. Following these instructions carefully will make the experience seamless. Hosting your site is straightforward when you have a reliable partner like IONOS. I hope this tutorial was useful for your project. Now, go ahead and bring your digital creation to life.